So I'm on my property. This is the bridge over the little stream. That is onto the neighbor's property. And the stream comes up a long ways in that direction. When it rains, the stream gets really full. Most of the time it's really low, just like that. But this is a walking stream, so try not to get dizzy. No, I haven't been to my cabin in a while, and I let someone stay here, and they made a mess that I'm gonna have to clean up. Unfortunately, the mess got covered with water. Rained several times, so it is a sopping mess, really bad. Timber, fallen tree. For the most part, I'm gonna try and avoid the mess because it really is unsightly. Man, is it beautiful out here though. This is an area that we cleared so we'd have a bit of ground to grow on. Have a fire pit for cooking and staying up late. And I'm gonna have to fix this. But this was our garden fenced off so that animals and stuff didn't get to the plants. It's a pleasant walk. A little muddy during rainy season, but we have a walkway started. I just took a shortcut. And there's my cabin. Again, a bit of a mess. And when I step out in the morning, this is what I see. I mean, it is just beautiful. And the trees go really high up above us. You can still hear the road from here, but it's not too bad. And the cabin, no electricity, no running water. I bring in water. There's a place for a wood burning stove, camping kitchen, wood, get water, bed. Up here, that's my writing desk. It is a folding kind of captain's desk. prayer corner. And again, out the back window, I can open it up for air. And again, just beautiful, surrounded by nature. This is just straight out. It is gorgeous. So obviously the inside of the cabin needs to be finished. There's a few things on the outside that need to be done. But this is the small start. I'll build on, make it bigger if I stay here. This was supposed to be the start of my retirement home. Just off in the woods. Just outside the front. This part of the year, there's no water here. But when it rains, it's kind of hard to see. But yeah, there's a little creek that runs through here for all the drainage. And I'll tell you, during rainy season, this stays pretty full. So, yeah, I'm gonna sign off. Have a peaceful day.